Hi friends, this is Rashmin Keshwani. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel R&R Reviews with Rashmin. Wedding day is the best day of our life, right? Attending our friend's wedding is like a dream come true for most of us. All the love stories that we read or we watch state that getting married is the happy ending, right? Definitely it is an ending to the independence of the woman and happy for everyone around her. Surprised? Does anyone ever talk what happens after marriage? What are the struggles, the hardships that a girl faces in that other house after marriage, which is termed as her house? It's strange that everyone teaches her to behave in a particular way in her own house, to impress the relatives, to satisfy everyone's expectations. And this is not enough that some people even cross the boundary and tell her to keep quiet and everything will be fine. Your husband has issues, mental or anger issues, keep quiet, everything will be sorted. Be patient, be quiet, things will get better in some days after marriage. Exactly what is going to happen after marriage that is going to make things fine is something to think about. A girl is always told that her reputation, her izzat is associated with her husband, which implies her own identity is nothing. She does not have any status of her own. Seriously? Then I think you need to rethink about the meaning of the word status and identity. Today we talk about women empowerment, we talk about independent women, and we even use quotes like, I can buy my own diamonds. Ever wondered why women had to explicitly, clearly say this to everyone in the world and make it happen, buy her own house, accomplish her dreams, make sure, see and show that she could buy her own diamonds? Why? It was not for her own self. She already knew what she is capable of. But she was told that be quiet, tolerate, be patient, and you will be rewarded for this with silk saris, jewelries, and reputation of being married to a respected family. Applause. We do not realize that we are failing miserably when we teach this to a girl. To tolerate, to be quiet, and to be patient. And things will get better on their own. Is some robot coming to do that? We are teaching wrong things to both boys and girls, men and women. The movie that I am referring to today is Bulbul, which has done clear justice in explaining this to us. Because sometimes we know certain things, but they need to be told out loud and clear to us, else the bell doesn't ring. This movie is seriously going to make you think and reflect on the words that we use, the wrong things that are done to the women inside her own house. She does not even have to go out to face those atrocities. The people are present in her own house to ruin her life. Anvita Dutt and been produced by Anushka Sharma. And the screenplay is flawless. It's beautiful and fantastic. You will love the performance of Tripti Dimri. She's done clear justice to her role. In my opinion, this movie is a must-watch for every girl, every parent, every brother, and every member of the society who wants to make this society a safe, secure, and a happy, peaceful place for all women around him, around her. If you have seen this movie, I am sure you will be able to relate to this video. I hope you like this video, and I am sure you will love the movie and it will serve as an eye-opener to you. If you like this video, do share your thoughts and views of the movie in the comment section below. Thank you. Take care. Bye.